Case study number 5. Banking the unbanked. The world of technology has seen rapid growth in recent years. According to statistics from Internet World Stats, over half of the world's population has access to the Internet, and it grew from 0.4% in 1995 to 51.7% in 2017. Although the world is clearly evolving at an exponential pace, there are still major problems in the rural parts of the world. There are still over 2 billion people unbanked, meaning they don't have access to any kind of financial institution. Having no bank account makes having financial stability much more difficult. Imagine a store owner in Yemen who has worked hard for years and earns his money daily. In Yemen, 93.5% of the people do not have a bank account, and neither does our hardworking shopkeeper. What does that mean for him? It means that every day, when his working hours are over, he has to risk his whole day's earnings when he has to transport the cash from his store to his home. Even if he did not get mugged when passing through shady neighborhoods on his way home, he still has to keep his savings under his mattress, as he is susceptible to robbery. In addition, he has almost no opportunity to get a loan to expand his business and contribute to the country's economy. The only way he can get a loan is to get it from other people who will have him paying unimaginable interest for his loan. In another example, we have a mother with an 8-year-old daughter who lives in Guinea, where the unbanked population makes up over 90% of the country's population. In order to provide the best possible education for her daughter and allow her the ability to make a respectable living in the future, the mother has to put her daughter to study at the local school. But because she does not have a bank account, she has to pay the school's fees in cash, waiting in line with the other parents to make the payments, losing many hours from work. Now, in order to further facilitate this trend of financial inclusion, the world of finance has to become even more affordable, transparent, and accessible. This is where blockchain technology comes in. Every day in the cryptocurrency sector, we have the brightest minds on the planet working on problems many experts thought could never be solved, while using some of the most innovative technology the world has ever seen. Blockchain technology holds the keys to reaching the 2 billion unbanked, bringing transparency and justice to a broken financial system, stamping out corruption and exploitation. Everyone should realize that a collaborative blockchain is not only a network of computers around the world, but also an ecosystem of humans who are behind the computers. The mixture of humans and computers around the world working together gives means for supercharging the innovation and advancements in the industry, creating value for the world to use. This is the problem we face right now in the business world. We're still stuck in the same zero-sum mentality we inherited from the traditional economy. We don't collaborate, we compete, and many think that it is time that changed. Only through realizing the true potential of collaboration on the blockchain can we start eliminating the problems with finance and poverty around the world. In conclusion, the world of blockchain gives us endless opportunities to change the world for the better by providing financial solutions for even the most rural parts of the world, giving them increased financial stability and security. But in order to do so, we have to opt for a more collaborative way of doing business.